Right. So look at this one. E. මොකද්ද මෙතන කරන්නේ? First we have to remove 4. So multiply both sides by 4. Right? 4 to 4 get cancelled. 2p plus 3 equals 20. Mark your answers with a red pen, right? Then remove positive 3 by adding negative 3 to both sides. 2p equals 17. Divide both sides by 2. p equals 8.5. Okay? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Then next one. 3m minus 2 divided by 7. Multiply both sides by 7. So
Okay,
7 to
madam.
7 get cancelled. 3m minus 2 equals 28. Now add plus 2 to both sides. Negative 2 to plus 2 get cancelled. 3m equals 31. Divide both sides by 3. m equals 10 1/3. Okay?
Teacher, 30 name
Oh yeah. Sorry. 28යි 30යි නේ. දෙකයි. Okay. Sorry. Next one. 3x divided by 2 plus so over 4 equals 7. Here we can make these denominators equal. Ne? We can multiply both up and down by 2. And we can make it 4. So 6x. Now the denominators are equal. So we can add the numerators. 7x over 4. Now multiply by both sides by 4. Then 7x equals 28. Right? X equals 4. හරිද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක හොඳට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වුණාම ආයි මෙච්චර ස්ටෙප්ස් ලියන්න ඕනෙත් නැහැ. ස්ටෙප් දෙකකින් විතර මේක හදන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? Here what is the least common multiple? 15. Multiply this by 5 and this one by 3. 10m over 15 minus 9m over 15 equals 1. So m over 15 equals 1. Multiply both sides by 15. 15 to 15 get cancelled. M equals 15. Okay. Harida.
Okay, teacher.
Then next one. Here what we have to do? Divide both sides by 4 first. Right? 4 to 4 get cancelled. 3x over 2 minus 1 equals 3. Then add 1 to both sides. Here 1 to 1 get cancelled. 3x over 2 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 2. 3x equals 8. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 2. 2/3. Okay? හරිද?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, madam.
හෙසඳු හරිද? මෙතන මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? මෙයා වයින් කරන්න ඕනි. එහෙනම් දෙපැත්තම 3ෙන් ගුණ කරන්න. මේ 3ට මේ 3 කැපෙනවා. එකනේ. එක වැඩි කිරීම මේ සම්පූර්ණ එක. එතකොට 2a over 3 minus 3 equals 6. Take this 3 to the other side. Then it's become positive. Multiply both sides by 3. 2a equals 27. Divide both sides by 2. A equals 13.5. Okay? හරිද? හරිද?
Okay.
Right. ඊළඟ එක. ඉස්සෙල්ලම 1 අයින් කරන්න ඕනේ. Take it to the other side. Then 3. Multiply both sides by 2. m minus 3 equals 6. Okay. Here, what is the least common multiple? 6. Neither. 3x plus 3 over 6 plus 2x over 6 equals 8. 3x plus 3 plus 2x over 6 equals 8. 5x plus 3. Multiply both sides by 6. 6 to 6 get cancelled. 5x plus 3 equals 24. Then subtract positive 3 from negative 3. Add negative 3 to both sides. 5x equals 21. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 4.
Teacher,
Oh.
teacher,
මෙතන පොඩකින්. මෙතන වැරදුනා මට. Not 24, 48. So the answer is x equals 9. Okay? හරිද?
Okay, madam.
Then this one. What is the least common multiple? 4 නේ. එහෙනම් මෙයාව දෙකෙන් ගුණ කරන්න. Right. 2y plus 2 over 4. 2y plus 2 plus y minus 3 over 4 half. 3y minus 1. Multiply both sides by 4. 3y minus 1 is 2. Y equals 1. Okay? හරිද?
Okay, madam.
This one. Again here. Three x plus 9, 6, 2x plus 2, 3x plus 9 minus 2x. Okay. හරිද? හරිද?
Okay, madam.
Right, next one. Write down the topic, simultaneous equations. So, from the grade 8 onwards, you learn like how to solve these, grade 6 onwards, you learn how to solve these linear equations. Right? එතකොට මේ simultaneous equations වලින් අපි solve කරන්න ඉගෙන ගන්නේ unknown terms දෙකක් තියෙන ඒවා. දැන් මෙච්චර වෙලා අපි solve කරේ මොනවද? එක unknown term එකක් විතරක් තියෙන ඒවා නේද? Simultaneous equations පාවිච්චි කරලා අපි unknown terms දෙකක් තියෙන ඒවා solve කරන්න ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. හරි? Right. Now let's look at this one. X plus y equals 6, x minus y equals 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Right? එතකොට x උයි y වලයි අගය හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ. මට මෙන්න මේ දෙවෙනි equation එක අරගෙන මට මේක ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේද මෙන්න මේ විදිහට. x සමානයි 2 plus y කියලා. And I name it as 3. Then I substitute this in the first equation. Substitute 3 in 1. එතකොට මට මෙතන ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා x සමානයි 2 දාන y කියලා. එහෙනම් මෙතන x වෙනුවට මම දානවා මෙන්න මේක. මොකද්ද 2 y equals 6. 2 plus 2y equals 6. 2y equals 6 minus 2. 2y equals 4. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 2. Right? දැන් y වලගේ අපි හොයාගත්තා. මේක ගෙනල්ලා මම මෙතනට substitute කරොත් අපිට x ලගේ හොය හම්බෙනවනේ. Substitute y equals 2 in third one. X equals 2 plus y. X equals 2 plus 2. X equals 4. තේරුණාද? තේරුණාද?
Yes, madam.
Yes, teacher.
හෙසඳු
Yes, teacher.
ලියාගන්න ඉක්මනට එක. හරිද? හරිද? තිසල හිරුණ හෙසඳු හරිද?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, madam.
Right.
Okay, teacher.
අපි බලමු මේක. We'll take this example. Right. 1, 2. So here I can write like this. This is my third equation. Then I'm substituting 3 in 1. Instead of m, I'm going to substitute 2 plus n. So here we have 2n. So 2 plus n equals 10. 2 times 2, 4 plus 2n plus n equals 10. Take this 4 to the other side. 10 minus 4, 6. Divide both sides by 3. N equals 2. Now we know the value of 2, so we can value of n, so we can substitute that value in this one. N equals 4. Okay, Liaga? Harida? Harida?
Okay, teacher.
Now please start to do exercise 15.3. First do the A to H questions. You can turn off the recording here.